Unlock endless anime adventures right now. We are simplifying how to pay for Crunchyroll with EasyPaisa in this video. First, head over to Crunchyroll.com and hit that sign up button to create your account or simply log in if you have an existing account. Next, you need to select the Crunchyroll premium plan that suits your anime cravings. Notice the benefits with each plan. On the payment page, look for the More Options selection to open up additional payment portals because, unfortunately, at the time of this video, you won't directly find EasyPaisa listed here. Since EasyPaisa isn't directly integrated, we're gonna use a third-party payment gateway that supports EasyPaisa, such as Sigm or Kodashop. You will need to create an account and search for Crunchyroll. Choose your desired subscription amount and click on Direct EasyPaisa Payment. You'll be redirected to EasyPaisa's secure payment portal, prompting you to enter either your EasyPaisa account number along with your CNIC or your EasyPaisa mobile application information. After you've confirmed all the payment details, just kick back, relax, and confirm your payment through EasyPaisa. You'll receive confirmation immediately from both EasyPaisa and the third-party platform. Go back to that Crunchyroll account page and verify a successful payment. Now you are all set. You have seamless access to Crunchyroll's massive library, all thanks to the ease of EasyPaisa. Enjoy your anime.